Hey everyone, I'm back with the functional Spider-Man PS4 web shooter. I've gotten lots of requests for this, and I'm so excited to be able to bring this to reality. Modeled from scratch in SolidWorks and Autodesk Fusion 360, this web shooter has been printed in dual extrusion, meaning two different colored materials at once. I wanted this to be as accurate to the in-game version as possible, meaning I had to completely redesign the web cartridge system to keep the slim form factor. I've incorporated new webbing called Spider-Wire, which is thinner but has even higher tensile strength than the last webbing. Currently, this web shooter is made in thermoplastic, but soon we're producing it in titanium with the help of the Danish Technological Institute. Can't wait to show you guys that version as well. In addition, there'll be a do-it-yourself tutorial video releasing in a couple weeks where I share all the 3D files and materials and instructions to make this web shooter for free. Aside from this PS4 web shooter, a lot of people have been wondering what I've been doing. I've been really busy engineering something new called Project Arachne. I think you guys will love it, however I can't show it until January because of patent reasons. Aside from Project Arachne, there are even more projects in the works and I can't wait to show them all on this channel. Hit that subscribe button if you want to stay updated, and without further ado, let's get to the test and demo compilation.